Sabelo gave Star 4K for registration. Uxolo is jealous and she went and broke in a studios Sabelo. Sabelo caught her. The people are protesting, wanting eVibe to close. Now Zoro is thinking of selling it. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Amalanga Wafan. So the community is protesting Bafune eVibe Sivale, but Zoro had nothing to do with it because Ulwazi is the one running this pimping out Amantombazane, and Zoro had no idea. He tries to explain that, but Abantu, they don't want to believe him. He even said to the workers, why didn't someone tell him something, but they didn't say anything. And then he decides, you know what, he thinks he must just sell eVibes because his other establishments are doing well, so he doesn't want this to drag him down. And then Sabelo decides to give Star 4,000 rands to go and register a culinary school. Star was so happy, how thoughtful it is of Sabelo to do this for her. Uxolo was jealous, busy, sticking in, just watching from the corner. Star was very happy, saying, so humble you register, and so that she can do her classes at culinary school. And then Sabelo then decides that he needs to apologize to X because of the things that he said to him. And then so X said, I'm so sorry for everything that I said to you. I allowed anger to take over. X now was okay, saying now I'm not perfect either. So nje baxolelana and made peace and then started making music. And they surely came up with a hit song and thought this is going to be a banger. And it's going to be the best song Maskandi. Usabelo saying that he's the best artist kumaskandi. Kanti uxolo uzofika la engene e-studios kaSabelo and trying to steal the song that he was doing earlier. Ambhaxa-ke uSabelo athi, what are you doing, Xoli? Wenzani la? What are you doing in my studio? She tries to be ngengeza, stammering at, what are you doing here? Because so late, what are you doing in my studio? And she wanted to steal that song. Now, Star, a culinary school, she's struggling because all these other students, they seem to know these fancy things that she does not know about. And they even laughed at her when she said her favorite meal is jing. So, but then there's one guy who's a bit, who's like nice to her, Ulanga, and said she must not be too hard on herself, she'll adjust, every righty. And then intombi kaSugar tells uSugar what is he going to do with his unemployment. uSugar then decides he's going to start working on his CV and ebheka umsebenzi. UNtombeka is like, no, I'm here for you. If you need anything, just let me know. But he's a proud man. He says, no, ngiright okwamanje. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.